Hello everyone, my name is Cesar Reyes and today I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how the image processing code works for DrHorticulture 1.1. Basically, what we want the code to do is to take an image as an input and tells you an index of how green the image is or how green the plant inside the image is. Right now, the function that I'm using is this one, which gives you the index based on these values that you get from a single pixel. So basically, every pixel has a red and a green and a blue value, and with those I can convert them to hue, saturation, and brightness, and then I'm able to use these values to get an index of how green that single individual pixel is. And we run this through every single pixel in the image and we get an average of how green all the pixels are, and we're able to get a single index that we compare to what we have in the database. Alright, so let me just show you a little example of what the images are going to be looking like. This is for plan number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let me keep them open. And basically what we are doing here is, for testing purposes, we are opening every image as an image file in Python, and we put them in an array, in a list, and then we go through every single image, we get the pixels, and this function gives us a list of pixels based on RGB, so red, green, and value. Then in order to get the hue, saturation, and brightness, we use this function that I created, and it will get you a list of HSVs for every single pixel based on the pixels that you get from the image. Then we get a single digit dark green color index from this other function that I created that takes in the hue, the saturation, and the brightness list and gives you the index. And then for us to see, I just print the dark green color index into the screen along with the file name of the image that is being processed right now. Alright, so let me run it a little bit so that you guys can see the output. So for plan number 1, we get an index of 0.6374. For plan number 2, we get an index of 0.3731. For plan number 3, we got an index of 0.6435. Plan number 4, 0.5, and plan number 5, 0.57. And that is how the code works, and I'm gonna now just let you take a look at how the code is being implemented. So and basically, as you probably saw during the testing environment, every image takes around 10 to 15 seconds in order to get processed. If we add to that the time that it would take to get an image from an iOS device and then send back a result, it would be like around 17 seconds at 20 seconds at most. And this is one of the issues that we would like to improve for future iterations of the app. We would like to make the algorithm that it processes the images faster in order to provide results for a lot more people at the same time. And that is how the image processing is done on an image in Dr. Horticulture 1.0. Thanks.